No? Okay. Before going to our topic, we are doing one activity. Get up, everyone. When I am saying here, touch your head means I'll call 1. Touch your nose means I'll call 2. I'll count. Touch your chin means I'll call 3. Okay? Are you doing this activity? Yes. Okay, ready? Okay. 1. Touch your head like this. 2. 3. 2. 1. 3. 2. 1. 1. Okay, very good. Nice. Thank you. Sit down. Now I will do one small motivation for you. Every day you come to school, something for learning. Say yes or no? Yes, ma'am. So every day we start some progress. While we are coming to school, when you came to school, you should learn something from teachers and your friends, whatever it is. So today you should take the progress. Tomorrow you will take the big success. So you have to learn something here that adds up. You will get the success. Okay? Have you understand what I am saying? Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you. So now we are going to the topic. I will ask some questions. Your mother have 4. Yes. How much cost is this? 11,000. Okay. Your father have 4. How much cost is this? You don't know. Very good. You don't use mobile. Very good. So when we are using mobiles so many times in our home, we are watching videos and playing games. Okay. We should buy something from the shop. Shop owners getting the factory, getting the manufacturer factories. They are getting something 5,000 or 6,000 from the factories. Then they will buy 10,000 or more amount. So what they have? Profit. Say profit. So we will buy the 5,000 for each mobile. We will sell the 10,000. So we will get the profit. So today our topic is profit and loss. Here was, by the achieve end of this session, recall, explain, examples, evaluation. So we know the profit and the loss. When we buy the marker in the canteen, it cost maybe 30 rupees. What he bought? Canteen owner this bought one each marker 20 rupees only. So he sold to me 30 rupees. How much profit he gained? 10 rupees. So everything. Suppose for example I gave to my friend this marker 10 rupees only. How much loss I have? 10 rupees. I bought 30 rupees. I sell to my friend 10 rupees. How much loss I have? 20 rupees. So when we give the highest cost, we get the profit. When we sell the lowest cost, we will get the loss. So cost price and selling price here. What is the cost price and what is the selling price? What is the cost price means? When we buy the thing to the shopkeeper, we will give the money to him. So that is the cost price. When we sell the thing, we will get some money. We will receive some money. That is the selling price. So cost price selling price. Cost price we use the short form CP. Selling price we use the short form SP. So when we have cost price is more than the selling price, we will get the loss. When we selling price is more than the cost price, we will get the profit. So here profit, when we get the profit, selling price is more than the cost price, then we will get the profit. Here loss, when we get the loss, cost price is more than the selling price. So already we learned cost price means the money paid to buy on the item. This is also includes some taxes, all those we are called cost price. Next, selling price means the money received from the shopkeeper. So that is called the money received from the others. That is called selling price. So now I will ask some questions. Madam. So you have to you will enter to one shop for buying clothes. So they said 1,000 rupees for each dress. You will ask 900 rupees give me. Bargain. Okay. So what he lost? How much he lost? 100 rupees. 100 rupees loss. Yeah. Next. If you buy one duster or mobile phone or your anything, if you buy something from others and shop owners or anything, you have to buy something for them. So they tell 100 rupees, but you are by 100 rupees only. But you have to give to your friend 50 rupees only. Then what will you gain?
I will get loss of 50 rupees.
Very good. Loss of 50 rupees. So here we will get profit means selling price minus cost price. Here loss means we will get cost price minus selling price. When we want to get the profit, selling price minus cost price. We want to loss means cost price minus selling price. Next we will find out percentage of profit and percentage of loss. So when we want to profit percentage means selling price minus cost price by 100 by CP into 100. Then we will get the profit percentage and next loss percentage. When we will CP minus SP, cost price minus selling price by cost price into 100. Then we will follow this formula, we will get the loss percentage. Suppose for example, everybody look at the textbook. 12.2. Raghav buys a watch for 2,000 rupees and sells it for 2,200 rupees. Raghav buys a watch for 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees is cost price. What is this amount? Cost price. Cost price is how much? 2,000 rupees. And what he sell? How much amount he sell? 2,200. What is that? 2,200 means selling price. So what he gained? Profit or loss? Profit. How much profit he gained? Profit formula?
Selling price minus
Selling price minus cost price. profit we want here. So selling price minus cost price. Selling price means 2,200 minus cost price means 2,000. So what is the profit? How much? 200. So same as like this. He bought a watch 2,000 rupees and sell to his friend 1,500 rupees. So here cost price how much? 2,000 rupees and selling price how much? 1,500. What did he get? Loss or profit? Loss. How much loss? Loss formula? CP minus SP. CP means 2,000 minus 1,500. How much loss he have? 500 loss. So these are the examples of profit and loss. Okay now. What we learn here, so what is the profit, what is the cost price, what is the selling price, how we get the profit, how we get the loss. When we are doing a business or anything, when we buy something for shop, so we will get the profit and we will get the loss. So some questions I will ask now. What is the CP?
Cost price.
CP means?
Cost price.
Very good. Declare. What is SP?
Selling price.
Selling price. Very good. Yeah. What is profit? How we find out the profit?
Selling price minus cost price.
Very good. How we find the loss?
Cost price minus selling price.
Cost price minus
Selling price.
selling price. Very good. So we will do like this. We will get the profit and the loss. In these formulas you have to learn properly. Next session we will do these we will do the sums from these formulas, all these formulas. So profit percentage. When we want to find out the profit percentage, we will learn these two formulas. SP minus CP by CP into 100. SP minus CP here, profit. Profit by CP into 100. Again we want to loss percentage means loss by CP into 100. Loss formula means CP minus SP. Tomorrow class we will learn these formulas and do sums on these formulas. Okay? Today you have to learn these two formulas. Okay? Do you understand what we are saying here?
Yes.
CP, SP, loss, how we will get the loss and how we will get the profit. Any doubts?